this video.
Hey everybody, Ken Katsuna here with my Ashley. You may notice she's in different colors. That's because we're using effects now. Yay! Look at him. He's in effects. Now today we're going to unbox this Nexo Knight Lego set.
It was for $100.
Wow, we spent $100 on this. Now let's open it, shall we?
I got it. Got it. Don't cut it.
You need a knife. Pen. Nope. Knife away. Yes, we're using new effects. We want to get more subscribers. So we're doing what we can. Out of my way. I got something. Yep, out of my way.
Finnegan!
Hush, Ashley. I'm trying to do something.
Finnegan!
Ta-da! It's open! It's open! It's open! Now, we're not going to use this effect when we finish building this because that might hurt. We're just doing this to try it out, and Buddy really likes this effect. This has a 2 on it. This has a 1 on it. This has a 3. And here's the book. Some stickers. And
First one on page 1, guys.
no, we're not doing a building video. This is an unboxing video. Now, if you like this unboxing video, please leave a like and comment down below. And as always, if you want to, you don't have to, but if you want to, hit that subscribe button. We're going to do a milestone. If we make it to 25 subscribers, we'll do a special thing. Won't we, buddy?
Yeah, we'll do it.
Wait. We can't tell them yet. We have to leave it for when we get 25 subscribers.
No, how about
Wait,
21?
it's 25.
21.
Fine, 21. We gotta compromise.
How about 24?
24 subscribers, that's good. 24 subscribers, and we're gonna tell you what we're gonna do once we get it. So till then, hit that subscribe button if you want to see what we're gonna do. Bye! Oh.
Waffles, waffles, waffles. Pancakes, pancakes, pancakes. Pancakes, pancakes, pancakes.
Pancakes!